to my channel. And the first video, what is that? Oh, it's my plan. Can you see? To the first video of 2018. I know I had the vlog, but that was stuff from 2017 for the New Year's party and stuff like that. I think only I recorded on Monday. But anywho, today's video is for spilling coffee beans, and for the first prompt for January is December's favorites. So I'm going to show you what my December's favorites were, or like tell you, because some of the other stuff is like scattered around my house. And yes, I still have my Christmas decor still up and running. My tree is on at the moment. It's raining at the moment, by the way, over here, which, what? I just saw my double chin. So, like always, if you don't know, Spilling Coffee Beans is a private group in Facebook that if you have a channel, you can join. We have topics for the whole month, and we talk about it if it's relatable. And then today is December's favorite, so hopefully we get the ball rolling and we get to recording, because like me, I wanted to do Vlogmas for the entire month of December from the 1st to the 31st. I failed. I think I only made it till the 26th. And then I'm like, forget it. I'm not going to do the last week, because like it gets you, like, once you like miss one day of the vlogging for the entire month, you're like, I fail. I'm not going to do another one. And like, gosh. So yeah, I changed it to the Vlogmas from being December 1st to the 25th. So yeah, I'm going to show you what my December favorites were. And some of them were like towards the end of December. Some of them were really at the beginning of December. So yeah, my number one probably favorite of December will be my Christmas trees, or let's say the whole entire decoration of my house, because I had lots of fun decorating, because Christmas was going to be at my house and I tried to decor as much as possible. So probably like the main one would be my white tree over here in my living room, because I had two, and my green one is over there by like that way my dining room. But I think that the one more favorite would be that white one here. You see that? That's the white one. And I had my concha ornaments, which I sort of halfway made. I don't know if I showed them to you. I think I showed them to you in a vlog, but here are my concha ornaments. They're glittery, and I had different colors, but this is the blue one. Hopefully you can like kind of distinguish. Since my tree was white, I made colorful ones. There are like 6 different ones. Hi, Mama. So yeah. And then my other favorite one, going with the decor, will be the other 2 crafts that I made, which is my nutcracker that I made with pots, and my snowman with the my snowman's with the Santa Claus inside. I don't know if you can see, but my nutcracker's like right there, and my snowman figurine is right there. I'll put a picture or something right after this, so I'll show you in a little bit. But those were my favorite ones as well. And that's from the decor. Everything else, I try to decor everything. Like I even have ornaments here on the ceiling. So that was my favorite part, because Christmas was in my house. Christmas was pleasant in my house. So yay! Now we go to items. And these are kind of going towards the end. And are these socks that I actually got in my ornament swap box from Spilling Coffee Beans. If you didn't see them, yes, they are dirty, but I love them. They're so cozy. My feet stay like nice and smooth because they were infused with aloe vera, I think. I got them from Sam from Ink Mommy. They are dirty. I wear them for days. I wore them that Christmas day, like Christmas Eve. I put them on because we had ugly Christmas sweater theme, and I had my that was my favorite too as well. And I had these socks on for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Yay! And they're so soft. they're upside down. Here we go. Now you can see the Santa Clauses or elves, whatever they are. My other thing would be, is late in December, but would be the jewelry that my husband got me for Christmas, and that would be my bracelet here. And I actually, like, I'm gonna cover it up, but I have Luna's name. It says Luna and new baby's name here, but that's still a secret for some of you, so I'm gonna cover it up. But I got that one. It has little hearts, hopefully you can see, and it's three golds, white, pink, and like regular gold color. And the other one would be, I already had the chain and one of the little girls, but then he bought me the other little girl, and then the jeweler man or whatever, he connect them together. They're grabbing hands. Hopefully camera would actually do me a solid here. They're holding hands, so it's resemblance of Luna and new baby girl coming. So those were my favorite as well. And going towards the other items, my favorite for this is actually the second one I go through, is this Vaseline. I had shown this in other favorites, monthly favorites, because I absolutely love it. It's the Vaseline, well, you can't really see lip therapy, and these are rosy lips. It leaves a little bit of tint of pink, but it's like, it had been cold and my lips were very chappy, and I put this on and they go right away, and then it smells really nice. But it's a tiny little Vaseline little pot. But yeah, that is all that I got for my favorites for this month. I'm gonna show you, see if I could go where the Nutcracker is and show you. Like, he's like almost like, there you go, you can see it better here. This little drum fell, but it's like it was glued here. Luna kept on touching it, so I fell. I DIY this. There's a video for it. That's the favorite craft this month, as well as the Nutcracker that I also made. That is almost as tall as Luna. Luna comes like about right here. But yeah, that's under my counting thing, and I absolutely love it. So sparkly and cute. But other than that, hopefully you guys like it. Welcome again to 2018, and I'll see you next time. And subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.